Hello, hi, I'm Mr. Vaccaro, or Mr. V. I'm the physical education teacher at Assawamsett. Welcome to the gym. This year we will be outside as much as possible, so we won't be in here all the time, but occasionally because of weather we will be in the gym, and we'll take as many mass breaks outside as possible. Because we are going outside all the time, please make sure you're bringing clothes to go outside, and I usually dress in layers so I can take things off if it's cold in the morning and a little bit warmer as the day goes on. This week we began our kicking and soccer unit in all grades, and that's something that when you have your remote weeks, I'll be leaving an assignment that hopefully you can participate in a similar kicking and soccer lesson at home. When you're at home, please just do your best and have fun, and make sure you're not buying anything. We just want to make sure that we're moving our body each week. In person, we'll make sure to, there's no hands for our kicking and soccer unit, but anytime we do touch equipment in class, we'll make sure we sanitize in between. Great job to start the year, everyone, and I can't wait to continue the year.